the 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.